guys, and welcome back to the Williams fam. Shh, Mario's sleeping. Yeah, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? This one is just all up in the blood video. As you guys can see, I just actually did a video for you guys on a get ready with me with this outfit on. I did a quarantine glam. I hope you guys like the video. I'm not sure if it's gonna be up before this one or after. And I was drinking my tea, but it got cold, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's what I am up to. It is actually, I think it's raining outside, but yeah, I just decided to get up and get glam. I was away and now your girl is back and feeling better, brighter than ever. So that is what is up. I got a couple of things I gotta do today, and I just got a new gadget. Yeah, so I just got a new gadget that just came in, so it's always nice getting new things. Yay! So yeah, let me take you guys downstairs. Let's go downstairs. Hold up. Feet like literally left me. Like literally left me. How did she leave her mother? Alright, so I am going downstairs. Oh, I was like, where's the other one? Oh, Feet, open the box. Feet, open that box. You opened it so you didn't take it out. You should take it out. I guess I'm just gonna dispose of this tea now. I can't believe it's raining outside. Do you want this or no? Huh? You want this? No, you don't need that. Sophie is bringing a new toy. Yeah, so she's bringing a new toy. Oh. Notification. Oh. So yeah, look. We're going to set this up. So this is the bigger one. I told you I was getting a bigger one. Oh mother.
Oh, this lifts up.
Yeah, we're gonna lift it out. This is the new, yes, because your girl is planning on doing some recipes.
Version of this.
That's like 3 times that. So planning on doing some recipes, and it's so funny because they're both the same price. Isn't that crazy? Like that little one and that big one, same price.
Put this in.
But definitely get myself one of those for back home. So I was just finished taking some pics, and now I have a few stuff that I gotta do, and yeah, I gotta season up the meat and stuff like that. I figure I'm making I think we're gonna I'm making pasta. So, but I need some sauce. The pasta that I want to make, I want to make a jerk chicken Alfredo pasta. That's what I definitely make.
It's short. It's the same.
That's the one that I want to make.
This one's longer.
So that is what we are doing today.
I think they're the same size.
I was wondering what time is it? 2:33. I'm debating whether I should start cooking now or wait till later.
No, cook now.
Yeah, hubby's upstairs just, well, he might be up now, but he was sleeping earlier, so
we'll cook at like
we're up until like 5 o'clock. Your girl don't sleep in that well, so okay, we're up watching shows, and yeah. And I work, I think I work a lot. I work best too at night sometimes, and early in the morning.
That's why I like to get homework done.
That's what I was doing. So I was working late last night. I was up doing research and stuff, and now I got up early and started doing some more research.
Well, we're gonna cook that
So yeah, so I'm just going to cut up some chicken and stuff like that, and then do it before I cut up my chicken. Let me cut up. I ran out of my sauce that I usually made, so now I don't have any. So now I'm going to have to make more because I don't have any. I gotta go. Well, baby's gotta go out and get me the stuff done so I could blend up some more and keep it because it was so handy to have. I didn't have to do that much cutting up of things, and the sauce, the seasoning was already cut up and blend up for me, which was great. So I am almost finished cooking, guys. Almost finished. The pasta is already cooked. I am just getting this done, and I'm going to actually pour the sauce and mix up everything and put it back in. But I think I'm gonna do a little bit something a little bit different. Yeah, I'm gonna shake it up today. You want me to dish some of the pasta? Did you want me to dish some of the? Since it seemed like I know all about this food up thing. You know, your mom. Ready? Ear what? Eardrop. Eardrop is on your phone? On mine? Oh, no, it's not on. Come on. Okay. I run on the eardrop it too. That's my laptop. Huh?
When I print those somebody in small, I'm gonna put them up like that was an oil. I'll wait it.
Huh? Pardon? Okay, so I've just transferred everything into this pot to make it cook down. I'll put that to soak. Wash it. So food is finished cooking, and I am dishing out some. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yum. You can see that the food splashed on my clothes, but that's okay. I'm going to dish dinner now, and we're going to chow down. I have a few things that I need to get done, and yeah, so we're not doing much. We're just basically chilling, holding a vibes, and that's pretty much it.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I'm feeling love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? It's girl, I do. I know those words are few, I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.